Good day. In this video, I'll be sharing to you my work experience as a statistician. I am a social psychology practitioner with my workload both on teaching and research. I teach psychology courses such as social psychology, behavioral statistics, psychological assessment, and research. In terms of my research workload, I collaborate with other professionals for a research project, present in a research conference, and publish articles. In both my teaching and research roles, my knowledge and skills in statistics play an important role. On top of that, I had the opportunity to formally work on the roles of a statistician with medical doctors and medical students. In this video, I will be sharing to you my experiences in these roles. To start with, let me share a general description of what statisticians do. Information you will find online will tell you that statisticians design the process of data collection, analyze and interpret data, communicate the results to stakeholders, and provide results-based recommendations in order to guide decision-making. In sharing my work experience as a statistician, I will refer to the 12 21st century skills which are categorized into learning skills, literacy skills, and life skills. I collaborate with students in psychology, medicine, linguistics, sociology, anthropology, and professionals like doctors and social scientists in creating their research tool, especially survey tool. This work is a combination of communication and collaboration skills, which are learning skills, as well as information and technology skills, which are literacy skills. This means that you have to make use of your knowledge and skills in statistics, which are literacy skills, and communicate to your collaborators on how to appropriately proceed with the stages of developing the survey tool and how to analyze the data gathered from that survey tool. For example, I am currently working with a medical doctor who wants to develop a tool that measures the challenges parents or guardians are facing in response to the recently implemented online learning in schools. In this project, planning and regular discussion is important so as to align the operational definition of challenges to online learning to what we want to measure, how we go about developing the tool, and the statistical techniques that we will use later after gathering the data. In the same manner, I also collaborate with student and professional researchers in creating the research protocol, with my role emphasizing the alignment of research objectives, methods, data analysis, and results. This work is a combination of communication and collaboration skills, which are learning skills, information and technology skills, which are literacy skills, and initiative, which is a life skill. Similar to the work I previously mentioned, I have to make use of my learning and literacy skills to communicate with my collaborators in terms of how objectives ultimately align with data analysis and results. However, I have to put an initiative effort whenever there are issues and concerns in any of the stages of the research project which needs immediate attention. For example, in our collaborative research on religious priming and helping, I found in the analysis that our results do not completely align with our hypothesis, and our external reviewers wanted gender as a variable which may affect the results. In this case, I took the initiative to reanalyze the results, taking into account insights from the external reviewers and communicate it in a timely manner to my collaborators. Other work that I do is I independently analyze datasets from individual researchers, government, and non-government organizations. For example, I analyze datasets related to the need for mental health programs for military personnel, The results served as basis to propose and implement an evidence-based mental health program. With varying project objectives and datasets, I am in constant cycle of learning and relearning statistical techniques. As science and technology advances, so do data analytic techniques. In this sense, as a statistician, life skills are important because these skills are what constitute lifelong learning. There are a lot of tools out there which can help us analyze datasets. I am well versed in SPSS software. However, as I gain more experience, there is a need for me to learn about other softwares such as Python, R, SAS, and even extensions of SPSS such as Amos. Aside from Microsoft Excel, these are the common data analytics softwares. Well, if you are passionate about learning statistics and using statistics to contribute to society, then there is no stopping you to this infinite learning process. In summary, the work of a statistician is both challenging and fulfilling. It is challenging in a sense that you do not only need to learn about the knowledge and skills in statistics, but you have to deal with collaborators and the fast development of the field. It is fulfilling in a sense that it empowers you to make use of numbers and data in order to solve real-life problems. In fact, the job prospect of statistician jobs in the next 8 years is predicted to increase by 30%, a clear indicator that there is an increasing need for statisticians more than ever. Are you one of those aspiring to become one? Go for it! I'm looking forward to collaborating with you in the future.